How to create Hubstaff account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create a Hubstaff account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you want to create a Hubstaff account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open up your browser and go to hubstaff.com, and by default this is the type of interface you will see. So right from it will ask you to simply create an account. So first of all, enter the email address that you want to use for Hubstaff, then just tap on the create account option. After you do that, it will ask you to enter your first name and the last name, so make sure to enter all these details. Also make sure to choose a very strong password. You can also use the recommended password, then tap on create my account and your Hubstaff account will get successfully created. This way you'll be able to create a Hubstaff account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.